realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G in the color Hyper Black. It comes in Hyper Blue color. It also has an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage size variant. This smartphone has a 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM, expandable up to 256GB. Moving on to its 16.3 cm, 6.4-inch, Full HD Plus display, designed for immense visual experience. The 48MP plus 8MP plus 2MP AI triple camera helps you capture unforgettable moments in vivid and ultra-clear detail. The 16MP front camera helps you capture the world on the go. The smartphone is powered by Mediatek Dimensity 925G powerful gaming processor. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh long-lasting battery. The box includes